So let me show you today's percentage change. So mid caps and small caps are the one more than small cap. Mid cap are the one which closed positively. So and other indices are more neutral, though positive. Nothing much. So most of the stocks that move today are from the mid cap. And in sectoral, if you see, again today it is metal. So it's clear the main performance came from the metal sector. And even private banks also closed positively of 1%. Same thing. The top five, if you see, they all are from mostly banks, finance, private banks. And if you see the bottom five, auto, IT got corrected, public banks got corrected, pharma and FMCG. So today is metal and private banks. So if you see thematics, energy index closed positively and commodity index closed positively. I think today commodity index broke out from the main supply zone, recent supply zone. We need to check the index for that. And even oil and gas also closed positively, 1%. Infrastructure. And I think whatever is happening in February 1st, I think there is a budget. So it is better not to invest heavily, better to be in cash and see the opportunity, then only we can take a decision on investing actually. I think that is the best approach for now. And from industry point of view, metals, non-ferrous again closed 5% upside as an industry index. And if you see the trend, 200 is trend, it has been hitting all-time high, I mean new high every day. And today coal industry as a industry, out of two stocks, both the stocks closed positively. And FMCG, food products closed positively. IT hardware, today IT software didn't close positively, but whereas IT hardware closed positively. And again metals and mining, 2.8% positive. Ratings from finance sector, 2.3. FMCG again seafood. So FMCG is always doing selectively good in some of the pockets or stocks. It is doing good in some FMCG sectors. And apart from that, transport, shipping, out of six stocks, we have somewhere around four stocks closed positively. So again, metal diverse. So if you see most of the thing, metals, minerals and mining, and coal, then metals diversified, refineries, which is related to oil. Then again, metals, ferrous, and then So this is from metals. And if you see IT related, IT hardware is there. Like PPO and KP were there. What else? Yeah. So exchanges is there, and investment companies are there. Financial products. So as a finance overall, these capital markets, no, I think they came into today. They are in top 30 actually today. If you see or here, even housing finance also closed positively. So we need to see how many participated in housing finance. Only 46% out of 13 stocks, which is somewhere around six stocks performed well. So we need to see their closure. And private banks also did good, but not everything. Only 10 stocks of 20 did good today. But aerospace and defense, yesterday it performed very well. Today, at an index level, defense sector, there is a small pullback over there. But in few pockets of the aerospace and defense, still we have a positive closure upside. So it is still strong from index point of view. We need to see how the price is going to behave from there. Here exchanges. So that's what finance, metals, commodities, energy, and few pockets of FMCG, capital markets, and defense. These are the one. It's more or like a infrastructure theme is whichever the industries from capital goods, they are also working out before the budget, and we need to see how it will wrap out during the day of budget and after the budget. So that's it from industry point of view. You can see from aerospace and defense, if you see Apollo Microsystems, that closed 5% positive today. Axis Gates, Midani, Avantel, GRSC, Unimac, Paras, so Astra Micro, everything closed positively except aerospace related. Data patterns also closed negatively. Yesterday it gave very good 20%. I think upper circuit. It went upper circuit. Today it pulled back to somewhere around 1.8%. BDL also closed positive yesterday. So yeah, so you can see this is a strong sector. And apart from it, what else? Let's see ratings. Because we have been seeing metals for so long, they're at doing every day. It's breaking its previous high every day. So ICRA, it closed 4% positive. So you can see the RS score is 80. Oh, comparatively good, but 15% away from the 52-week high. Okay, you can see it is near to 52-week high, and today there is a movement. You can check how the chart is, where the price is positioned with respect to the key moving averages. Then we can see any kind of setup getting formed over there or not. Everything depends on observation basically. And as a total breadth point of view, today it was not a good breadth as from total market point of view. But at an index level of a top 550, they closed positively. And when it comes to upburst, uh, when compared to the yesterday's, which is 16 ratio, which is very, very good. Today, not much, but okay. It didn't go into the negative zone. Still, 6.1 percentage are closed 4% upside, and there is a substantial 4.9, which is 5% is the stocks closed downside 4%. So it's not that great, but yeah, but we cannot negate the yesterday's move. Still it is intact. I can say that huge selling is not there, that I can see. But tomorrow I need to see this same 4% is how it is going to. And then swing, if you see, price is under pressure, which means the leading swing indication says the price might have got up about 10 SMA. That could be the reason. I think now it is time to be prepared, but not confirmed. So what you can see, you can see the price is trying to go above the key moving averages. One is above, as of now, it is about 10 SMA. We need to see whether it will cross the 21 SMA or not. So if you see the candle, the closure, there is a tail below, and it closed partially today. And yeah, only 23% of stocks closed near their high. Yeah, I think so. Let's see the gold Nifty 500 chart. Oh, yeah. So today, if you see, it reversed. This was acting as a zone as we discussed yesterday also, and from there it tried to pick it up. And this is the candle where we have huge buying pressure. So we need to see how it is going to come out from tomorrow. As of now, there is a positive strength coming into the at index level, and so this is the index. So this is what defense index was doing. It broke the trend line yesterday, and now it is doing a kind of small pullback over there at this zone. So what happened? What happened here is this is the historically proven uh, resistance trend line. The price tried to react at this resistance trend line multiple times, and the yesterday's candle broke out that resistance trend line, and it is trying to consolidate at that zone itself. We need to check how the price is going to behave with respect to this trend line. So as of now, the bias is positive. So that's it from defense. And CNX IT index, if you see, this is the weekly resistance, which is nothing but a supply zone, twice and third time it rejected this supply zone, and it is consolidating at this supply zone itself. Unless it breaks this supply zone, we cannot see any positive bias in this IT index.